Hello everyone, my name is Alessandro and today we are going to make pasta with wild asparagus and salsiccia. So this is a really spontaneous dish because we were walking in Umbria, where I come from, and we were going from Spello to a small town called Collepino, and it is around 7 kilometers into the wild, and we saw those amazing asparagus and we were thinking, yes, why not make pasta dishes with those, right? The ingredients for today are 1 onion. This is a pretty flat onion from Cannara, a small town in Umbria, and they are really famous for their onion. Then we have asparagus. As you can see, those asparagus are really thin, but they have a lot of flavor inside because they are wild. Of course, you can use also the asparagus you find in the store. You know, the asparagus that you find in the store are thicker because they are grown in farms. You need also 1 garlic, salsiccia paste. This is the inside of the salsiccia sausage. And we are going to make everything with this Trofie pasta. The first thing you need to do is to clean the asparagus because, of course, when you have this long asparagus, you don't use the old asparagus because it's really hard here. So you can feel it here. I felt like it was the first time I was a wild person. I went inside the crazy parts in the woods only because I saw an asparagus. So I do a rough cut like that, and this is done. You take a garlic, you smash it, you take away here inside, we call it the l'anima, and l'anima it's the part from the garlic that it's more difficult to digest. We take the extra virgin olive oil, you put it inside a pan, a lot of olive oil of course. I start to clean the onion. This onion is so gentle in the taste. It's really gentle. You can cut it how you want. I do small pieces, so like that. I throw the garlic like that. If you don't like the garlic after, you can take it away. I take my salsiccia, and the salsiccia will also leave some fat. You stir a little bit. I throw the onion because I like the onion to be a little bit more raw. And now I also throw the asparagus like it's raining. So now we have all the ingredients inside the pan and they are dancing together. Let's stir it a little bit. The pasta water, your best friend when you're cooking pasta. Inside a little bit. You want the asparagus to get softer. So together with a little bit of pasta water and or the oil and everything, it gets softer, it releases the taste, and then you will have an amazing experience. About 2 to 4 minutes and then it's done. I didn't throw any salt and anything because the salsiccia has already a lot of flavor, a lot of salt inside, but you can always add in the end. It's always better to add in the end, so never exaggerate before because it's difficult to save it. Oof, yes. That's done. Inside. Voila! Those pretty worms. Yeah. So let's clean, otherwise my dad will kill me. It was pretty clean.
I helped you already.
Fresh olive oil.
It's so green.
See, green. We are in Umbria. In Umbria is full of olive oil. It's full of olive trees outside. Fresh parmesan to make the saucer thicker. And then it's done. My friend, it's done. Ta-da!